As we move into 2025, the world is embracing a new wave of fitness and sports. So in this video, we are introducing our popular classical sports themed blanks, perfect for today's fitness-driven world. So stay tuned to discover how they can evaluate your business. So let's see the first item. The waffle towel are perfect for the sublimation industry, designed for high performance, ideal for gym sections, outdoor adventures, and competitive sports. Personalize with team logo, motivational quotes, or customized design to meet your client's needs. And don't forget to rehydrate promptly after wiping off sweat. The 40-ounce travel tumbler is just what you need for all-day hydration, perfect for long drives, offering durability and the capacity to keep drinks at the ideal temperature. Meanwhile, the aluminum bottle is lightweight, portable, and great for outdoor activities like hiking, cycling, and gym workouts. Choose one to be your trusted companion, whether you are hitting the road or your morning spin class. Bum bags are ideal for runners and hikers, providing convenient storage for essentials like phones, keys, and wallets. Boot bags are the must-have for dream goers, keeping their shoes protected and organized after practice or games. It's a perfect time to prepare your business for coming exciting events. Everything you see will be linked down below. Let's inspire a healthier, more active world together. I'm Zoe from LOPO. See you next time.